Alright, it's the last week in November and it is perfect weather. So even though these bees don't need me in their hive, I really want to look in there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if they have a queen and I'm going to see if they have enough food. Beyond that, actually just beyond the food piece of the puzzle, if something's wrong, I think it might be too late to make a change. But I can at least see if they have enough food. If not, I can give them a little more food. This is my first fall as a beekeeper, so if you see something I should know, please let me know. Are you ready? Let me take this off. Oh, there's a little bit of sugar syrup left in here. All right. I'm trying to make it a habit to start at the bottom, so let me do that. Alright. I'm going to start with the bottom. I'm trying to make that a habit to see the good stuff first. Woo. It's not as heavy as the other one. They look good though. Alright. Well, I guess I shouldn't call it before I do it, but I feel like it's kind of hard to get this first one out most of the time. And then I think I have oh, good. Do not speak too soon. Okay, honey, some of it capped. I feel like that's good. There's a hive, there's a few hive beetles. You want them?
Yeah. I feel like the Ghostbusters. Who are you going to call? Call me if you require my services again.
I will, because there's sugar dripping everywhere. Okay, hooray. Kept honey. Honey. Oh no, I'm smushing them. That is not going to end well. Oh, gosh. And now I've lost my train of thought to know if I had this out. I'm pretty sure I did. Oh no. I feel like I've dropped sugar and made them mad, which is probably two things that... Oh, there's capped brood, so that's good. And I forgot to even think about a queen because I've been thinking about food. Capped brood, capped sugar. Yay. Oh.
Spoke. Be careful with your frame when you set it down. You do not want to smash your queen. Already been in that one.
This is good news.
There's a hive beetle.
A little bit of rainbow pattern going.
Hive beetle.
I feel like I might see the queen on this one, but I don't.
Easy.
I think I should see a queen, yet I do not. Live in harmony with the hive beetles. All right, I guess good news, honey. Good news brood, bad news queen.
Bad news queen. Your queen is producing. We saw brood. That's all you need. You have kept brood, you've got a queen.
That's true. Oh, that looks nice. It does not look like a queen place. Or does it? It does not. Alright, it would be nice to see a queen, but I think I will not see her here. I think I'm going to go look in the top if they'll let me. I feel like it's good news that we have food and brood and a semi-decent mood. Would have been nicer if I saw a queen though. Ooh, I hear him hitting my bee suit. I am thinking, and well, hoping really, they're going to let me go through this top hive.
And then let me reset the cameras for the shot. You look pretty cool there.
Power pose.
That's power pose.
Alright, well, I don't have a queen excluder, so I am thinking there's a decent possibility that I would have a queen up here. I think the more likely scenario is that I do not often find the queen. I have a couple times by now, but more times than not I think she's here and I don't see her. So if you see her, please let me know. I think there's a little honey in there, so that's a good start. Honey, it's not capped, but it's there. I mean, I guess it's technically sugar, but it's food nonetheless. They got a little pollen sub still going. Ah, that's a little weird that the honey is not in the middle. This is just drawn out with no nothing in it. 3 frames in.
Okay, set that frame on your hook and then put that on the edge when you put your hive back together. Put the empty frames out on the edge and put all your honey in the middle, because the bees are going to be clustering in the middle with their brood and food on the bottom box. You're going to be able to come straight up and eat.
Alright, so what I am going to do, a new lesson I have learned in beekeeping, is to put this on the edge and put one with honey in the middle. Which makes perfect sense. That way when they cluster up in the winter, they will have easier access to honey, I think. I'm going to put this one toward the edge too. I hope they don't care with a little rearranging of their furniture today. Okay, this is nice and heavy. This one looks good. I feel like I should see a queen, see some cell things on the bottom. Let's give this one a good look because it is probably the heaviest one that I've touched. I don't see any queen. drawn honey, not honey, drawn comb. No honey. There's nothing on that one. Here's the very last one. And nothing to see here. So I'm going to say that the good news is that I saw what frames have honey and what don't, so I can put them in the middle. I'm going to say the debatable news is that I didn't see the queen, so I'm going to kind of hope that she's in here and I just don't see her. I definitely saw her last week, so I think that's the likeliest circumstance. I would say it's in pretty good shape. It's not as good as the other one, but I'm gonna take it. I'm thinking I can just put the sugar water right back on. There's still some in there. I need that inner cover though. And my cameraman is gone, so he can hand me the inner cover. All right, I need the inner cover, but it's right over there. Watch the bees for me. Did anything happen while I was away? Usually I have some. Usually my husband is looking at this with me, but not this time. So I guess I could have looked. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the sugar back on. I do not see any harm in it. However, if that is a mistake, certainly let me know.
How much sugar's left in there?
Like 25%.
All right.
Oh, I didn't need to do that. I did get into a routine of like shimmying it on, but there's no bees on this one. And done. I am taking it. It is not as strong as the others, but to me it looks pretty strong. I didn't see the queen, but I never see the queen. I think we're gonna make it. If you have any opinion or suggestion, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye. Well, I'm on a roll. You have any that you want?